Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of used cars, offering valuable tips for beginners on how to choose and care for them. Whether you're a first-time car owner or on the hunt for a reliable second vehicle, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Tip number 1, set a realistic budget. Before you start browsing for used cars, it's essential to determine a budget that aligns with your financial situation. Consider not only the purchase price but also ongoing expenses such as insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. Setting a budget will help narrow down your options and prevent overspending. Next up, research and compare different makes and models that fit your needs and preferences. Consider factors like fuel efficiency, reliability, safety features, and resale value. Utilize online resources, reviews, and forums to gather insights from other car owners. Make a list of your top contenders and compare their specifications, pricing, and available features. Now, on to tip number 3, check the vehicle history. Before making a purchase, obtain a comprehensive vehicle history report using the Vehicle Identification Number, VIN. This report will reveal important details about the car's past, including previous accidents, service records, ownership history, and title status. A clean vehicle history is crucial for ensuring that you're investing in a well-maintained and problem-free vehicle. It's time for tip number 4, conduct a thorough inspection. Inspect the used car visually and mechanically, or hire a trusted mechanic to perform a pre-purchase inspection. Pay attention to signs of wear and tear, rust, or damage on the exterior and interior of the vehicle. Check the engine, brakes, tires, suspension, and other vital components for any potential issues that may require repairs or replacements. Tip number 5, test drive the car. Always take the car for a test drive before making a final decision. Pay close attention to how the vehicle handles, accelerates, and brakes. Listen for any unusual sounds or vibrations while driving. Test all the features and functionalities, including the air conditioning, heating, lights, wipers, and entertainment system. A test drive will give you a first-hand experience of the car's performance and comfort. Once you've purchased a used car, it's crucial to establish a regular maintenance routine to keep it in optimal condition. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for oil changes, fluid checks, tire rotations, and other routine maintenance tasks. Address any issues or warning signs promptly to prevent them from escalating into more significant problems. Lastly, tip number 7, keep it clean and protected. Maintain the cleanliness of your used car by regularly washing and waxing the exterior and cleaning the interior surfaces. Protect the paint and upholstery from fading, stains, and deterioration by using quality car care products and accessories. Invest in a car cover or parking shade to shield the vehicle from the elements when parked outdoors. But wait, there's more. Here are a few additional tips to consider when buying and caring for a used car. Research reliability and resale value. Look into the reliability ratings and resale value of the used car models you're considering. Vehicles with a reputation for dependability and strong resale value can offer better long-term value and peace of mind. Consult resources such as consumer reports, reliability studies, and resale value projections to make informed decisions. Consider certified pre-owned (CPO) options. Certified pre-owned vehicles are typically inspected, refurbished, and backed by manufacturer warranties, offering additional assurance of quality and reliability. While CPO cars may come with a higher price tag compared to regular used cars, they often provide added benefits such as extended warranties and roadside assistance, making them worth considering for some buyers. Explore financing and insurance options. Before finalizing your purchase, explore financing options to determine the best payment plan for your budget. Shop around for competitive interest rates and loan terms from banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Additionally, obtain insurance quotes for the used car to ensure you're getting adequate coverage at a reasonable price. Plan for ownership costs beyond the initial purchase price. Anticipate and budget for ongoing ownership costs associated with owning a used car. This includes expenses such as maintenance and repairs, vehicle registration, taxes, and depreciation. Factor these costs into your budget to avoid financial strain down the road. Learn basic car maintenance. Empower yourself with basic car maintenance skills to perform minor repairs and inspections on your own. Familiarize yourself with tasks such as checking fluid levels, replacing wiper blades, changing air filters, and troubleshooting common issues. Online tutorials, car maintenance guides, and workshops can help you acquire the necessary knowledge and skills, keep records and documentation, maintain organized records and documentation related to your used car, including service records, receipts, and warranty information. Keeping track of maintenance tasks, repairs, and any modifications made to the vehicle will help you stay on top of its maintenance history and potential resale value. Join online communities and forums. Join online communities and forums dedicated to used car enthusiasts and owners. Participating in these communities allows you to share experiences, seek advice, and learn from the experiences of others. You can gain valuable insights, recommendations, and troubleshooting tips from fellow car enthusiasts. By incorporating these additional points into the article, beginners will have a more comprehensive understanding of the considerations involved in choosing, purchasing, and caring for a used car. Whether you're navigating the buying process for the first time or seeking to maximize the value and longevity of your used car investment, these tips will serve as a valuable resource for informed decision-making and ownership satisfaction. And there you have it, folks. Our top tips for beginners on how to choose and care for a used car. Remember, with careful research, inspection, and maintenance, you can make a smart investment and enjoy many miles of reliable driving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and advice. Until next time, happy driving!